Welcome to our guide on how to choose the best interior design style for your home. Your interior design should not only reflect your personal taste, but also complement your lifestyle. Let's explore some popular styles and find the perfect fit for you. First up is the farmhouse style. Characterized by warm colors, natural materials, and a blend of vintage and modern elements, this style is perfect for those who appreciate a cozy, inviting atmosphere. If you love a relaxed, family-oriented lifestyle, farmhouse design might be your ideal choice. If you prefer clean lines and minimalism, consider modern design. With a focus on function and simplicity, this style suits those who lead busy lives and appreciate uncluttered spaces. Modern interiors often feature neutral palettes and sleek furniture, creating an elegant yet practical environment. For the free spirits and creative souls, the bohemian style offers an eclectic mix of colors, textures, and patterns. This style encourages individuality and personal expression, making it a great fit for those who love to showcase their personality through their decor. Mid-century modern design is all about retro charm and functionality. With its clean lines and organic shapes, this style works well for those who appreciate nostalgia but still desire practicality. It's perfect for individuals who love a timeless look with a touch of vintage flair. If you favor elegance and sophistication, traditional design might be your style. This approach often features rich fabrics, ornate furnishings, and classic architectural details. It's ideal for those who enjoy formal entertaining and appreciate a sense of history in their home. Ultimately, the best interior design style for you is the one that resonates with your personality and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to mix and match elements from different styles to create a space that feels uniquely yours. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.